Hi lovely people, how are you? Well, if you read from my description, I am going to be unboxing or unbagging two mintMONGOOSEs. So if you guys I'm sure you guys seen these videos all month because this is the August 2018 and I love the packaging. Now, the reason why I'm doing this so late in the month is because I usually always get the silver. I do get these free for review, but the owner, Helena, had went on vacation and she didn't mail me my package. So she asked me, which one do I want? They now have rose gold, and I said I do like silver, and so she sent me both, the rose gold and the silver, so you guys can see what it looks like. Now this is $12 a month, but I do have a code, which I'll leave down below. I don't get anything out of it. It just saves you guys money where you can get it $10 on your first subscription, which I think is great. It does come in a little package like this, which is my favorite color. So let's just get started. So like I said, it always comes like this. It looks like the old little wax things I say in every video. I just really like it. So let me just pop that off. I don't know if this is the silver or the rose gold, so we shall see. And that's what it looks like. It always comes really wrapped up, really pretty. And you always get one of these Werther's Originals, the caramel candies, which I love. And you also get a card here that says thank you from mintMONGOOSE. And it always comes in like this pretty color green packaging. So let's see what it looks like. Okay. So this month, well, we get three things. Usually you always get three things. This is the first thing. It's like a little bracelet. Now everybody does get the same thing every month. So if what I get, everybody else will get the same thing in that month. So this is what it looks like. I think it's really pretty, and you can make it like smaller or bigger like that. So that's nice. So let me put this on. And then make it, I don't know if I could do it with one hand. Make it smaller. Let's see. Let's see how good I am. I don't know if I could do it. Okay. So there we go. I think that's really pretty. You could make it a little smaller too, but that's pretty. Okay. The next thing, I believe this is the necklace. I do like it because every month the necklace and earrings always match perfectly. So let's see. Oh, these might be the earrings, I think. Let's see. Okay, so this is the silver one. Okay, this is the necklace. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's like this pretty, like greenish blue color. And then what I do like, you can always make this shorter or longer. I like that too. It does have like the little mintMONGOOSE engraved on there. So let's see if I can put it on and see. I like the fact that you can always make this shorter or longer depending on how you like it. So let's see. I can put it on. Usually they're a little bit longer. I could just put it around my neck. So there we go. Oh, that's gorgeous. I mean, it doesn't go with this outfit, but I like it. Okay, let's see what the earrings look like. So these look like studs. I don't typically wear studs because if you're new to my channel, when I was little, about 6 months old, I had two people pierce my ears at the same time. So one hole is a little bit higher than the other, and it also comes out a little bit more, and one goes in. I think this one goes out a little bit and this goes in a little bit, so it's really messed up. So when you can wear, when I have studs on, you can really see the difference. So I will show you what it looks like, and that's what it looks like. So they are really pretty, and I like these backs because you can really get close and it doesn't hurt. So if you guys can see, it really goes with the necklace really good, like almost perfect. So that's really pretty. So we're gonna open up this one, so it'll be the same style but it will be in rose gold. So let's see. Okay, again, we got the little candy and the card. It's always wrapped up in this pretty green color, like I said. The same bracelet. Okay, so I don't have to open that. And I'll show you what the necklace looks like. In the rose gold color. So I know when they started, they just had the gold or the silver. So it's nice that she has rose gold. I can get this open. And this is nickel free, so that means it won't turn green. So this is what, oh, this is actually really pretty. So, okay, that's what it looks like in the rose gold. That's really, really pretty. There we go. Gorgeous. And I'll show you the earrings. Okay. Come on. Okay. And so, same thing, these are in rose gold, if you guys can see. Really, really pretty. So I think it's really, really, I really like it this month. How many times can I say really? So here's the difference with this silver and the rose gold. Let's see if I could do this, if you guys can see. So this is the silver, that is the rose gold. I'll take this off so you can get a closer look of what the silver and the rose gold looks like, if I can get it off. I don't edit my videos. Come on in. Let's see. Okay. So there we go. This is the silver and that is the rose gold. Really, really pretty. So that is what the August 2018 mintMONGOOSE is this month. Hopefully next month in September I can get it out a little bit early to you, but I did get this sent a little bit late. And then, if you don't know, I had to take my daughter to college. She had to be there this past Saturday, so with all that going on, I couldn't get this out to you earlier, so I do apologize, but next month I will try to get it earlier. I will leave the link down below with the discount code if you choose to use it. You don't have to, but like I said, I don't get anything out of it. And please like this video. It really does help me out. Leave a comment down below and let me know, do you get this? Do you plan on getting it? What do you think of it? Let me know. And I will leave videos right here like I always do if you want to watch more of me. And until my next video. Bye, guys.